There's the old Schindler 330A at Nordstrom. There's the old one. Looks like they might have remodeled the store a bit. The last time I was here. I don't know, did they? I don't know. I've seen better days. Jeez. Do they even make water fountains that are chilled or something here? Do they even? Mirror's still here? Yeah, mirror's still there. Mirror's still there. Right. Okay. So the same old Schindler 330A from 2007. Oh, hi. The elevator down. Right, there's a flooring there too. Is it the same with the upper level? I don't know. 2008. I thought it was done in 07. Maybe I was wrong. Oh! Okay. It's a little brighter in here. This is probably the nicest no lie. This is probably the nicest elevator in the mall, right here. Hi! I'm just waiting for someone to break that mirror soon. Let's just say it probably ain't gonna be me. It ain't gonna be me. Nope. Yeah, it's probably the nicest elevator in the mall, despite it being a fucking 330A with with vandal resistant fixtures. Well, I guess the brass is kind of nice. Still think they should have gone with HT standard on this. I don't know. Oh, okay, things a little rough. Oh, whoa, okay. I'm trying to remember how the flooring looked like in here originally. Didn't they have like crown molding around here, maybe? I don't know. Did they have crown molding around here originally? I don't know. Whatever.